Hey, let me show you display comparison between the Redmi Note 13 and the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. Okay, so now it looks really dark, but I have to actually change the exposure level on my camera because this screen of the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is actually really bright and everything was overexposure. So now I'm just going to show you that this is actually the highest possible level of the both screens. And now you got actually the real comparison. The same with the quality, so I just set the high picture quality on both devices. Additionally, on the Samsung it even support the HDR, so this is something that doesn't actually appears here, but I will actually try to set the highest possible quality for each phone, like manually. So I'm going for advanced, and as you can see, now we can actually start this test. So if you wonder about this brightness difference, this is actually the real life. That's how it looks in the real life. The Samsung screen it's much brighter than the Redmi Note 13. Okay, so this is it for this video. As you can see, the screen on the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G looks definitely better. So that's all. Right now, please subscribe.